Welcome to this tutorial on the Game Master AI plugin suite. Now we are having a look at the narrative assistant module, and in this tutorial we'll have a look at the characters section. So we saved the previous generations up to the World Bible in the canon that we created. So it is there. So we don't change. We are not changing any of the game details that we created earlier. We are just switching on to the characters tab and clicking on generate cast or character, whatever you call it, generate cast. So here are the characters. The core cast protagonist is the Captain Jason Lee. Core cast Lieutenant Commander Ava Shen, Dr. Sophia Patel, and so on and so forth. Anyway, let's save this to the canon. So we have over here now the canon. The cast of characters is anyway. We save it, save preset. So that's about it. That's it for this model for this video. Thank you for tuning in.